You know what this is. I don't want to get this in my eyes. Tunnel! Oh, this speed bump. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today we are doing the first modifications to my Golf 6 GTI. So a package just arrived, and you know what this is. It's from eBay. So the things that are in it are some extended flippers, these things in sort of silver, and I don't know if you can see it, these GTI plates. Let's get it out of the package. The extended flippers are sort of silver color. Can get it out for you. It's this, and it also comes with these sort of stickers that you need to put on this piece, then get it onto your flippers, I guess. The other thing is this GTI plate, and I need to put it on the seats. Yo, I can show you it. It also started to rain, so that's good. Here, this is where your seat is. And then the plates are for this, because this is ugly and it fits perfectly. So, and it looks cool, to be honest. It really suits the car with all the chrome details. So yeah, it's only costed like €2 or something. So that's a good price for this, I guess. But before I'm gonna stick on the things, yeah, I'm gonna clean the flippers and the seats. So yeah. Let's go. Yeah, I don't want to get this in my eyes. It's a sort of chemical fluid, I don't know how to call it, but it cleans really well, but you don't want to get this in your eyes. So let's clean this flipper. Oh, it really smells. I don't know if you guys can see it. Jay, you definitely don't want to get this in your eyes. And the other one. Okay, that will be alright for the flippers, I guess. Yeah, let's do the seats. Oh, it smells horrible. And the other one. Okay, so that should be alright, I guess. Yeah, let's stick the things on. Yeah, guys, the weather today is horrible. It's raining all day long. It's not the best to work outside. So I wanted to park my car the other way around and just stop raining. So that's good, I guess. Okay, so now I have to put these sticker thingies onto the pedal. Sticks on two sides, as you can see. So yeah, let's put this on this. Okay, so this is how it should look like. So I have to stick this thing now on the pedal, I guess. I can't even get this sticker off. Okay, now it looks like this. Let's do the other one. Press a little bit on it so that it can really stick on the pedal. And now it's time to put him on the pedal shifters. So I hope you guys can see it good, but it needs to stick on here. Yeah, but first I have to get this red thingy off of the pedal, so let's do it. I can't even get it off. Okay. Yeah, let's stick it on, I guess. It's on the thing, I guess. Really looks cool from the camera. Let's do the other one, yeah? Just put my steering wheel like this so you guys can see it. Need to get the red thing off this. Yeah, it's off. And now I need to stick it onto the pedal. Okay, so it's on. Yeah, it looks really good, to be honest. Look at this, guys. Now my steering wheel is looking like this. It looks so much better. It also feels pretty alright, I guess. Need to get used to it because it's way thicker than it was before. It looks like this now. The steering wheel is looking way more aggressive now. I like that. Okay, let's do the plates into the seats. The plates already have this sticky thing on them. The only thing I need to do is get them out of the package. That's one. Yeah, that's one. And that's two. These are the plates that are going into the seats. Let's do it. It was really hard to find a good camera angle for this, but no, the other one I need. This. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so get the red sticker thingy off. Some satisfying things. Okay, let's stick it on. This thing don't even stick. Yeah. Something like this. The thing don't even stick that good. Hold it a little bit. This is what it looks like now. If you go inside, you see this. Looks really good, to be honest. Okay, let's do the other one. I'm really struggling to get this red thing off it. Hold it a little bit again, so that it can really stick on it. And also this thing looks good when you go into the passenger seat. This side is pretty good in its place now, and the other side struggles a little bit, especially over here at the end. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Only this little bit of the plate don't really stick that good, but what can you expect for only €2? I'm also very happy with the outcome of these extended pedal shifters. It looks really good. Don't really know how they drive. I think we need to do a POV drive now, and let's see if it really makes a difference with the pedal shifters. So let's go. Okay, so I switched to the GoPro. It's rainy weather outside, and it's time to test out the extended pedal shifters. Yeah, it feels really solid for now. Yeah, the rain is ruining a little bit of the drive, but it's alright. Yeah, the first thing that I noticed is that the flippers, the extended pedal shifters, are really close now to this handle right here and the other handle right there. So I don't know if I like that, but it looks cool from this point of view. Yeah, it costed me only €7, so that's good, I guess. And you get this really cool look on your steering wheel. It looks really aggressive now. Yeah, really aggressive. It looks more aggressive, which, yeah, I really like it. But let's shift a little bit back. Yeah, you feel a little bit less in your hands when you're shifting, because the thing right here is a little bit thicker than it was before, than the original shifters. But it's not too bad. I mean, what can you expect from $7? Yeah, it feels really good. Tunnel! Yeah, my stock exhaust is not too good. I have to change that in the future as well. But yeah, the pedal shifters are pretty solid for now. Take this corner right here. I already did a POV video right here, I guess, I believe. Just testing out the shifters, if it makes any difference. It's not really big of a difference than it was before. It's a little bit thicker, like I said, and... Oh, jumping my GTI. Yeah, it's getting a little bit dark out here now. Don't like that. No, I like it. I think I will leave them on for now. Maybe in the future I get them off, but it looks cool, like I already said for 5 times now. Oh, this speed bump. Man, that's a big speed bump. Onto the little bridge. Oh, it looks beautiful. It's alright for $7. It will do, I guess. If you have $7 somewhere laying under your bed or something, just search on eBay, search for extended pedal shifters, and you find something like this. There were a few options. You could get them in carbon fiber, yeah, fake carbon fiber, this sort of silver chrome, or in red, but I think the chrome suits the interior of this car better, especially on the steering wheel, because it already has a little bit of chrome in there. So that's why I chose the chrome pedal shifters. But I really like the look of them. Looks really nice. Yeah guys, overall I'm very happy with the modifications. It's not such a big modification to the car, it makes a little bit of difference in the looks. Driving with the pedal shifters was pretty good, they were feeling pretty solid, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, it only feels a little bit more thicker, if you say it like that, more bigger pedal shifter. That's the only annoying thing about it, but I think I will keep them on the car for now. Yeah, if you like this video, drop a like, also drop a comment and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. And with that having said guys, houdoe!